Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Connect the primary node to your modem via Ethernet and power it on. Once done, open the vendor app and sign in. The app discovers the node automatically. You will enter your ISP modem credentials and pick a network name and password. Make sure to name the two 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands clearly if separate. This avoids confusion during device migration. This first step gets the backbone online, so you can add satellite nodes next. Next, you add satellites to expand coverage. Place each unit roughly halfway to dead zones and plug them in. The app guides you to add nodes one at a time. Allow each to finish firmware updates and confirm a strong link to the primary before proceeding. Once all nodes are online, enable band steering so devices use the optimal band automatically and turn on quality of service to prioritize video or work traffic. Make sure to test speeds in target rooms and move a node slightly if the backhaul weakens. Finally, you lock down and verify the system. Confirm a single SSID for seamless roaming, change the default admin password, and schedule automatic firmware updates. Once configured, run the app's mesh diagnostics and speed tests in problem areas. They reveal weak link nodes that need repositioning. If a node shows poor connectivity, reboot the modem and primary node, then reset and repair the satellite via the app. If problems persist after repairing, swap the satellite location or enable wired backhaul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.